Ford Bronco 4x4 2026 is a bold evolution of an off-road icon, blending rugged heritage with advanced modern engineering. The 2026 model brings a perfect mix of vintage inspiration and future-ready performance, delivering everything off-roaders and enthusiasts expect from this legendary nameplate. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust 3.0L EcoBoost V6 engine, pushing out an impressive 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're tearing through rocky trails or cruising the highway, the Bronco maintains confidence, capability, and control at every turn. Built on a reinforced high-strength steel chassis, the Bronco 4x4 2026 is more than just a rugged machine, it's a go-anywhere, do-anything beast. The GOAT goes over any terrain. Terrain management system returns with 8 drive modes, including rock crawl, baja, and mud ruts. Ford's trail turn assist, trail control, and front and rear locking differentials come standard on most trims, making extreme off-roading not only possible but thrilling. A 35-inch tire package, excellent ground clearance, and 11.6 inches of water-fording capability solidify its off-road credibility. Inside, the 2026 Bronco keeps the adventure spirit alive while upping the comfort and tech game. With marine-grade vinyl seats, rubberized flooring, and a washout interior, the Bronco encourages a rugged lifestyle without the mess. For those who seek luxury, leather-trimmed seats and a 12-inch touchscreen with Sync 4 system offer an elevated experience. The integration of wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Bang & Olufsen premium audio system ensures you stay connected and entertained wherever the trails take you. The exterior design remains unmistakably Bronco, boxy, muscular, and aggressive, with removable doors and roof for an open-air experience. For 2026, Ford introduces new color options like Desert Dune and Shadow Blue, plus exclusive trims including the Raptor-inspired Wildtrak X and Everglades edition with factory-installed snorkel and winch. Every trim has been engineered with purpose, catering to trailblazers, campers, and weekend warriors alike. Safety and technology also see an upgrade. Ford Company Pilot 360 adds adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, which is invaluable on tight trails. Over-the-air updates and the FordPass app provide remote access, updates, and diagnostics, keeping you in control even when you're off the grid. With customization still at the core of the Bronco DNA, Ford offers a massive catalog of factory and aftermarket accessories, allowing owners to tailor their Bronco to their exact lifestyle, whether that's rock crawling in Moab, overlanding through forests, or cruising coastal highways with the top off. Ford knows its audience and has continued to deliver a vehicle that honors the Bronco legacy while pushing boundaries with innovation and unmatched style. In 2026, the Ford Bronco 4x4 doesn't just return, it leads. It's a tribute to the past, a machine built for today, and a symbol of adventure for tomorrow. With style, substance, and unstoppable capability, the Bronco continues to be a dominant force in the world of off-road vehicles. Whether you're a longtime fan or a new enthusiast, this Bronco demands attention, commands respect, and inspires adventure like no other.